Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best 4K Wi-Fi dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best 4K Wi-Fi dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is ASDOM Car DVR M580. Specifications. Brand name, Alipkey. Aperture, f2.0. Accessories, 3 cameras. Input-output, Wi-Fi. App compatibility, ASDOM app. Storage capacity, 128GB. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 600 grams. Number 4 is Bantru E3. Specifications. Brand name, Bantru. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 3. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 915 grams. As the item number 3 we've selected, Red Tiger F7N dash camera. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Input/output, Type-C. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Number 2 is Bantru N5. Specifications. Brand name, Bantru. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 12. On the top of our list at number 1 we have BFO A229 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, BFO. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512GB. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year.